Hello YouTube land, Dodgy here. Just thought I'd make a really quick video. I don't get to ride very often, so this is my commuter setup. Commuter setup. So you got my hockey stick and hockey gear and rollerblades in the top box. Oh yeah, that's all you need, right? You're commuting. The only issue I have is sometimes if I don't put pressure on this, the wind. I actually noticed on the way riding just a minute ago, the wind blows it out. Like if I take my leg off, the wind will actually blow this and make it go like over here. And then I'm like, while I'm riding, I'm like, and you can see it's actually touched. I think it's actually worn out a bit more now, just from today. And I've literally only done it twice. I've literally only commuted twice. Anyway, yeah, don't do much riding, so gotta get it while I can, where I can, wherever. So I can sleep out there now, just to make sure it's in the right position. I'll see you in a video eventually. Ha 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 ha. Maybe